Have you ever imagined a vehicle that combines the luxury of a high-end home with the cutting-edge innovation of modern automotive technology? Today, we're diving into something that will completely redefine your idea of travel and adventure. Imagine hitting the open road in a state-of-the-art motorhome that not only turns heads but also delivers an experience like no other. Stick around to discover the marvel that's turning dreams into reality. Welcome to ByteBuzz Innovations, your ultimate destination for exploring groundbreaking automotive designs and technology. If you're passionate about cars and love seeing what's next in the world of mobility, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring a vehicle that's more than just a mode of transport. It's a revolution in motorhome design. So, buckle up because this journey is going to be extraordinary. The 2025 Volvo Motorhome is not your typical camper van. Powered by a robust electric battery pack, it offers a range of up to 600 kilometers on a single charge. With dimensions measuring 12 meters in length, 2.5 meters in width, and 3.8 meters in height, it's spacious enough to feel like a moving home without compromising on maneuverability. This electric motorhome fits into the category of luxury recreational vehicles, featuring a host of standout amenities that elevate it far beyond its competitors. Performance is a key area where this motorhome excels. With an impressive 400 horsepower electric motor, it delivers smooth acceleration and can reach speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour. While it's not built for racing, it handles highway drives and winding country roads with surprising ease. Advanced suspension technology ensures a smooth ride even on uneven terrains, making long journeys more comfortable for everyone on board. The exterior design is sleek and aerodynamic, with bold lines that convey both elegance and modernity. It features integrated solar panels on the roof, adding an extra layer of sustainability by supplementing the battery charge. The large panoramic windows not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also flood the interior with natural light, creating a sense of openness that's perfect for scenic drives. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a meticulously designed interior that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The motorhome includes a fully equipped kitchen with high-end appliances, a spacious lounge area with plush seating, and a smart dining table that doubles as a work desk. The bedroom offers a queen-sized bed with premium bedding, while the bathroom features a rainfall shower and eco-friendly fixtures. Every detail has been crafted with comfort and convenience in mind. On the tech front, this motorhome is a true powerhouse. It features a smart home system that integrates seamlessly with your devices, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, and even the entertainment system through voice commands or a mobile app. The advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for easy parking and navigation in tight spots. For those who love staying connected, the vehicle is equipped with high-speed satellite internet, ensuring you're always online no matter where you are. Of course, no vehicle is without its flaws. While this motorhome offers unparalleled luxury and innovation, it's not exactly the most budget-friendly option. The charging infrastructure for such a large battery pack may also pose challenges in more remote areas. Additionally, its size might be intimidating for those not accustomed to driving larger vehicles, and mastering it could require some practice. Reviews from early users and automotive experts have been overwhelmingly positive. Owners praise its spacious interior, intuitive technology, and smooth driving experience. Many highlight the solar panel feature as a game-changer for long-distance trips. On the flip side, some users have mentioned that the initial learning curve for operating the vehicle's advanced features can be steep. Experts, however, agree that this motorhome sets a new benchmark for the industry. In terms of pricing, this luxury motorhome is positioned in the premium segment, with a starting price of around $350,000. While it's undoubtedly a significant investment, the combination of features, performance, and sustainability justifies the cost for those seeking a top-tier travel experience. Compared to other vehicles in its category, it offers a unique blend of luxury and cutting-edge technology that's hard to match. What do you think about this motorhome? Do its features make it worth the price? Or would you prefer a more traditional RV? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're someone who loves the idea of sustainable luxury on wheels, this might just be the perfect vehicle for you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ByteBuzz Innovations for more amazing automotive content. Check out our other videos for more in-depth reviews and features. Until next time, happy travels.